Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay again. So in this video we're taking a look at the case that Google sent over for the Pixel 3a XL. This is going to be the custom knit case. So I'm going to cut it open here. Right there. Let's see what color they sent, because I didn't open this. So let's see. Oh, they sent a nice black. Alright. So this will run you about 40 bucks. Some of you guys already have this case from the previous models of the Pixel bumpy cam. There it is, Team Pixel. Boom, boom. Let's put this aside over here and take a look at the case. So this is a soft touch knit. Well, it says it's a custom knit case, so obviously you know what the knit feel is going to be like. But yeah, they sent a black one over. I would have liked to have had like the gray one, but you know, not going to complain. There's the cutouts on the top and bottom here, like this, for the ports that are on here, because you got the microphone, the headphone jack, and the speakers and everything down there. So you got the camera cutout, the fingerprint reader, the power button and volume rocker, and that's it. And on the inside here, it's like a soft touch, matte feel or soft touch cloth feel, because you don't want to scratch the device. And then the inside, real faint, you can kind of see right there, it says Google Pixel 3a. So let's pop it on. Let's go buttons first. Check that fingerprint reader. Boom, there it is. So the fact that my phone is white and the case is black, that's a huge plus, because you can see where everything's going to line up at. So taking a look here, you can see the microphone, you can see the headphone jack, and the cameras and everything are now recessed because the cameras are pretty much flush anyway. And then obviously the fingerprint reader is flush in there. And then you've got the gray logo right there. And on the bottom, all three of these ports need to be open. So you got microphone, speaker, and Type-C. And let's check the volume and power button. So let's test the volume. Nice and tactile. It's like it's not even there. It's a pretty good fit. Obviously it's made by Google, so it should work perfectly. And you got the power button. So yeah, everything is good, man. This is a good looking case. You actually got a little bit of lip protection on all the corners, so this might give you some drop protection from scratches for sure. I don't know about like if the screen will crack or not. I'm not going to be testing that, so don't ask. But yeah, this is a good looking case, man. I might jump on there and just buy the gray one, because I think the gray will look really good. And let me put my glasses on. Yeah, this is the black one, because it's got a black button. So the gray one has an orange button, and there's like a blue one that has a green button. That will match good with the purplish one. The black goes with everything. We already know this. And this looks good, but man, feels good. It's protected now. And we are on and popping here with the official Google case for the Pixel 3a XL. Shout out to Team Pixel. And this is another gift from Google. Let's do it.